What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got an update on the truck. I've had a lot of good news on the truck as of recent, and well, anyway, let's go in here and holler at Dale, see what's up with the truck. All right, so there she is, boys, and as you can see, we got a lot of parts, guys. If you remember in the last video talking about the truck, I mentioned that all the parts were on back order. And Robbie Booth at MPS Diesel, let me make sure I got that right, but yes, it's MPS Diesel, MSP Diesel Solutions in Memphis. He shot me an email and said, hey, I've got all the OE parts in stock, and lo and behold, here it is. But as you can see, you got all the lines that you have to replace. These are all the fuel lines, all your injectors, all of these lines, of course the CP4 pump there. So yeah, huge shout out to Robbie Booth. Thank you for reaching out, brother. I appreciate it. Got the parts. He shot me the email and I got with him, got him paid, and got the parts here. Made me a smoking deal. So the truck is going back together. Very, very excited. Dale, you've been cranking away, man.
Yeah.
Hadn't been too hard on you, has it?
Yeah, not too hard. Like I said, you want it back by Christmas, so I'm just
Yeah, hopefully. But yeah, all the injectors are in, all the fuel rails, all the lines, all that stuff. So getting close to the finish line. And like I said, guys, we wouldn't have had, you can kind of see, no, you can't really see. Like I said, we wouldn't even be working on this thing if it wasn't for him shooting us an email and saying, hey, I got these parts in stock. So very excited. I miss my truck. You never realize how much you love your truck until you don't have your truck. And I miss my friggin' truck. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap up the update on the truck. Like I said, it's coming along and super excited. Huge shout out again to Robbie over at Mid-South Diesel Solutions. Couldn't get this done without you. And then of course Dale, best diesel technician in the area. Very much appreciated. But we got some other stuff we got to check out, so let's go. All right, so next update, we got to see what Steve's Fab Shop's up to. Gonna roll his hose up for him.
You might still be using it.
Right.
Pull it back down there.
Feeding something. All right.
Look at this guy.
Steve, are you working or are you thinking? Dang, look at that freaking turbo. Holy mother of God.
Hey.
What? Oh, well, yeah, Alex is coming.
He's trying to put your hose up.
Steve, you look like a man that's perplexed.
Look at that. Don't that look great?
You know what, Steve?
Sir.
Cold in here. That's somebody out of here.
He's letting my air conditioning out.
It is cold in here, isn't it?
That's what I like to say. It's too cold. He's letting somebody down.
Gee, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
So the last time we were here, none of this was here, obviously.
Yeah.
Steve has been very busy. So, modified cold side. My God. That freaking turbo is crazy. And we're making down pipes now?
Down bite? Yeah. Steve had to make a flange up there.
It's going.
Very nice.
What about that other deal you said you're going to run out, Steve?
What's that?
Yeah, it comes out there.
The two.
So Steve's not going to let me show. Steve's not going to let me show the bullhorn coming out, but. Steve, you want to mock the bullhorn up in there? It's going to come out right about there.
Don't show that.
I'm not, okay, I won't show it. I'm not going to give it away, Steve. So you guys can't see it until it's actually all completed. But this thing's going to be, dude, how long did all this take?
However long it took.
On and off.
It was a bunch of on and off.
Jeez, so you had to fabricate a way to mount the radiator and the intercooler. You've been busy, Steve. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, it looks nice. Pretty particular.
Yeah, this is just seeing this giant freaking turbo here is enough to You know,
It's
we
amazing.
do cut a hole in the fender right here so it can just suck straight
We're just
in.
gonna leave fenders off so you can see.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, here's the way you can look at it.
I mean, why not?
Yeah.
Good Lord. Well, I hope Boomer's happy now, because this is going to be
Come on. He needs to be.
the first drive of this one is going to be the best yet, right?
It should
Yeah.
be, yes.
Yeah. Luckily, we've got the tire on there. But
Be wild.
yeah, this is going to be great. And then there's the. Oh, you got your flashlight on you? All right. Real quick up the skirt here. Steve got all the suspension, so we got anti-roll bars in.
Brake lines run around.
Got all the brake lines. Man, well, they're looking kind of finished back here, isn't it?
Getting closer.
This looks great. And see, that's why I was trying to explain to him on Cherry Bomb, the mounts for the anti-roll bar were like back here.
Yeah, they just did too far back.
They need to be up there, and that's why we took it out, because it was wrong. But all the fuel line, drive shafts in it.
This nice drive shaft safety loop.
Yes, sir.
This nice custom built drive shaft, all aluminum.
Custom drive shaft. I love having the fans mounted, the transcooler mounted there. And then of course the stiflers and the
I may run it over there.
6R80.
I don't have enough.
He's getting there. And oh, you already got the
Now.
Yeah,
all the shift cable and everything.
I want to dump it here,
All that's
because then you run over.
Man, them brake lines are clean. That looks great.
Forcing valve right there.
Very nice. Still accessible, but out of the way.
You know when it goes to pop.
Man, almost there. This one's gonna be kind of terrifying. All right, guys, so I think we got pretty much all the updates out of the way. Actually did find a box and got the console and all of that packaged up, and of course that's going up to Dan at Neo Mustangs up in Ohio. Look him up on eBay, guys. I'm telling you, he restores, dies, and he has entire kits with screws, dashes, consoles, all of that. He does great work. And eventually, I don't have time, but he was talking to me about an entire dash, which I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick. Basically, he does the entire dash, the cluster surround, glove box, all of that, and sells it as a kit on eBay, all freshly dyed. You can get it in the correct color. And I was actually talking to him the other day. I was like, I just don't have time right now because, you know, this car has events coming up and I need to get it together because there's a lot of other stuff I got to focus on. But check him out on eBay. Look up NEO Northeast Ohio Mustangs on eBay. He does great work. Does extremely nice work. And I'm thinking we will probably do this entire dash as well because that would look amazing. All right, guys, so that is pretty much going to wrap up all the updates for today. I'm still looking at tuning options. I've talked to Jeffrey Harris at Moe's Speed Shop on Project Cherry Bomb. Where we're running into an issue is the transmission in the car is built. It's a Lintec Street Terminator transmission, and I don't have any specs on the converter that's in the car, and I think that's also screwing it up, along with the car not being tuned because it has a 410 gear, and those cars are very particular about that. You know, so I'm gonna get this tune right and then kind of go from there. And at that point, I'm not really sure. I did take the car down because I did have it listed for sale, but there are some other things that I wanted to square away. There's some other things I wanted to see, and that meaning if I can get them right, then I'll probably just keep the car, and down the road we'll do the swap. I don't know. A lot of it, you know, I don't know. Guys, I'm telling you, I try to keep everything fresh, keep variety, you know, keep lots of different types of content, so you never know what you're gonna see when a video comes out. But I'm also kind of, you know, like, I was at a crossroads. You know, I wanted to do some extra stuff to the truck and the Fox, and doing Project Cherry Bomb, collecting all the, you know, parts to do that. You you know, that was just too many irons in the fire. And, you know, so like I said in the, you know, 2 videos back, I could either do the upgrades I wanted to do to the truck and the Fox, or I could do Cherry Bomb. And Cherry Bomb pretty much got the axe. But, you know, now that I'm kind of, you know, the truck's almost done, I'm on the other side of that, I'm softening my stance a little bit. I don't know, because I do love the car. It's a great car, and it's here, and it's, you know, it's not eating anything, and it could just sit, and it's actually been a great daily while the truck's been down. So anyway, guys, I'm going to stop rambling, and I got some other stuff to do. But if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll see you very soon at Mustang Week.